like to bring up Mark Haas, who's the CEO of Association for Enterprise Growth. Mark, if you can give us the elevator pitch on AEG and get us going. Thank you.
I just listening to the presentations by Stefan and Alan and Andrew, and it just makes me think that the complexity of information that we're facing. We didn't have this information before, but trying to bring it all together and make some sense of it is really the challenge. And this is really what CONNECTpreneur is about. It's sort of how to connect, inform, and integrate all this information. So. All this technology, as well as COVID and changes in demographics and so forth, are speeding up this complexity. And this is why we built Association for Enterprise Growth, or AEG. It's really to help DMV, mid-market business owners to grow their companies, add value, exit on their terms, and build personal wealth. It's a complex journey. So AEG is a rapidly growing ecosystem now, almost 60 business advisors, CEOs, and partners in 25 complementary disciplines to help people go through that process of growing, exit, and the personal aspects of that particular journey. And we're fortunate to have Tien as our principal advisor. And the good thing about being on CONNECTpreneur right now is that Tien's not texting me to ask where certain things are and good ideas about other ways to grow. So for rising companies, we find the 4 C's for growth. Technical capabilities, the right kinds of capital, facilitated communities of advisors and CEOs, and making the connections between all of them. So we're about to launch our Inner Circle. It's a close community of 50 plus DMV CEOs, and that will fulfill AEG's mission to create personal and business growth through trusted relationships. So we're also responding to demand from other cities to start chapters there. So I'll put some information in the chat box if you're either a CEO interested in the Inner Circle or an advisor who's interested in joining the ecosystem. So our first presenter is Shani Toledano, the CEO of HT BioImaging. And we have 3 of the 4. The next 3 of them are technology related to healthcare. And so Shani's company is addressing the issue of that about half of cancer cases don't get solved because of delays or lack of information. So excited to hear from Shani about her new technology.
Thank you, Mark. Hello, everyone. So my name is Shani Toledano. I'm the co-founder and CEO of HT BioImaging, and we are here to help doctors not miss cancer. The main worldwide health challenge is cancer, with number of cases constantly rising. 45% of cancer patients do not survive because their cancer was detected too late. This is a global challenge we all must face. Doctors do not have all necessary tools and data they need to see cancer at the point of care and in the operation rooms. They are already there, and they are looking at the tissue, but they can't see what they can't see. The existing methods are not available, not immediate, invasive, expensive, and place patients at risk. HT BioImaging is here to help doctors not miss cancer with an imaging modality that is safe, highly accurate, and produces an immediate result. Over and above, HT BioImaging is here to save people's lives. I founded HT BioImaging after my father passed away from cancer that was detected very late. Our system is the first medical imaging that's based on heat diffusion. We are heating up tissues, sending heat waves to the tissue. Cancer and normal tissue transfer heat differently. We can read that signal and translate it into an image that shows cancer. Let's see an example. So this is one of our tested patients. His tongue looks normal. We are now heating up the tongue. We measure the heat diffusion, and here we see our image that shows a confirmed cancer that we couldn't see by naked eye. With our imaging, they will never miss cancer again. Our system will be used at the point of care for early detection and biopsy navigation, and in the operation rooms for surgery navigation, cancer detection, and safe margins detection. To understand the full strategy, so we have an in-human trial where we have completed 100 patients at the point of care. We have minimally invasive surgery activity where we are collaborating with Intuitive Surgical, the Da Vinci company, that wants to integrate our new modality at the tip of the Da Vinci. And while we are working on the first FDA approval for the inhuman oncology, we are going to start sales next year in the veterinary market in order to lower the regulatory risks and to accelerate time to market. This is the VET product, the first PET non-invasive imaging tool for cancer classification and diagnosis at the point of care. This is the 5 years projection based on sales in the United States for now. 200 units next year are about $1.5 million sales, while we charge $20 per one test for each test. And I can elaborate more than later. The team includes the best people in their field, AI, signal analysis, and computer vision experts, heat transfer and thermodynamics top researchers, oncologists, radiologists, and one successful serial entrepreneur with 10 exits record. But over and above our business, science, and technical skills, we are driven by the ideology to reduce number of deaths caused by cancer. We have an open round, so we've raised $2.5 million so far in the seed round. Now we have a round expected to be closed in a month's time. We're raising $2.5 million, where $1 million is already secured by the EAT help and our current investors. We have here with us Dan Cohen from Next Leap Ventures, is our U.S. Lead investor from California. Is leading this current round, and we're happy to talk to any of you that might be interested to join us for this round. Thank you, everyone.